Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson direct and inverse variation. Now we'll discuss about the worksheet 1. In the first question, fill in the missing terms in the following tables if x and y vary directly. Already they have told the table. In the table x and y they are varying directly, and they have given the missing terms means dash डाल के दिया है. तो फर्स्ट x एंड y फर्स्ट कॉलम में 6 एंड 18, सेकेंड कॉलम में 8 एंड डैश दिया है. तो इसको हम नंबर्स देंगे. सो लेट दिस बी x1 y1, दिस इज x2 y2, this is x3 y3, and this one x4 y4. Okay, so already it is mentioned direct variation, so we will be writing for direct variation. What is the formula? It is x by y is equal to k. Already ये आपको मालूम है. तो अभी x by y इसका वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फर्स्ट 6 by 18 इज इक्वल टू 8 by y2, और सेकेंड का 6 by 18 इज इक्वल टू 12 by y3, और थर्ड 6 by 18 is equal to x4 upon 63. Hope you understood. So जहाँ x y दोनों दिया गया है वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, जहाँ मिसिंग टर्म है तो वो राइट साइड में. पहले लिख के ले लो, अभी कैलकुलेट करो. 6 into y2 is equal to 18 into 8, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. So y2 is equal to 18 into 8 upon 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So y2 is equal to 3 8s are 24. So you got one answer. Next, 6 into y3 is equal to 18 into 12. So y3 is equal to 18 into 12 upon 6. 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. So y3 is equal to 12 3s are 36. Now coming to the third one, 6 into 63 is equal to 18 into x4. So x4, when you keep it here, it will be 6 into 63 upon 18. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. That means x4 is equal to 121s are 21. Hope you understood this. We have completed the first subdivision of first question. Now coming to the second one, the same method. So again they have told it is a direct variation, so you'll write for direct variation. The formula is x by y is equal to k. So first xy जहाँ दिया है 10 by 5 is equal to x2 upon 10. In the second one, 10 by 5 is equal to 30 upon y3, and here 10 by 5 is equal to 46 upon y4. तो अलग अलग नंबर दिया है x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. Okay, now 10 into 10 is equal to 5 into x2. Now we are going to find out the values, isn't it? Cross multiplication. So keep x2 on the right side. How much it will be? 10 into 10 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So x2 is equal to 10 twos are 20. Isn't it? Now coming to the second one, 10 into y3 is equal to 5 into 30. So y3 is equal to 5 into 30 upon 10. 0, 0 cut. So y3 is equal to 5 3s are 15. Yes or no? Now coming to the third one, 10 into y4 is equal to 5 into 46. y4 is equal to 5 into 46 upon 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So y4 is equal to 123s are 23. Is it okay? So we have completed the second subdivision of question number 1. Now coming to the third one, x and y, same method, okay? They are varying directly. So again you have to write for direct variation. For direct variation, what is the formula? X by y is equal to k. Now first column 6 by 15 is equal to 8 by 20 already दिया है ना, और चेक करो आप लोग. Now 6 by 15 is equal to 10 by y3 और 6 by 15 is equal to x4 upon 40. अभी इसको चेक करेंगे. आर दे सेम? द के आर दे इक्वल? जस्ट सी. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 4, नहीं 2 4s are 2 5s are. Eight and 20. So are they in direct variation? In the first 6 and 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. That means 2 by 5. K is a 2 by 5. Isn't it? Now here find out 6 into y3. Just here we wanted to see whether they are find out only the missing terms. Is equal to 15 into 10. y3 is equal to 15 into 10 upon 6. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now 2 1s are and 2 5s are. So answer is y3 is equal to 5 5s are 25. Now coming to the next one, 6 into 40 is equal to 15 into x4. So x4 is equal to 6 into 40 upon 15. 3 2s are 3 5s are 5 1s are 5 8s are 40. So x4 is equal to 2 8s are 16. कभी कभी ऐसे क्वेश्चन दिया जाता है and they will ask you to find out k. What is the constant? So here the constant is 2 by 5. Is it clear? That was question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2, the word problem. Already we have discussed in the examples. Now 5 bags of rice weigh 150 kg, how many such bags of rice will weigh 900 kg? तो क्या क्या quantities दिए हैं? So first is the number of bags, second is weight in kg. Yes or no? So 5 bags weigh 150 kg. So you'll write 5 bags of rice will weigh 150 kg. How many such bags? So bags ऊपर का है तो x will weigh 900 kg. Now you will write number of bags. कम बैग है तो कम वेट, ज्यादा बैग है तो ज्यादा वेट. तो कौन सा आएगा? It is a case of direct variation. Therefore, x by y is equal to k. So now write 5 by 150 is equal to x by 900. So 5 into 900 is equal to 150 into x. Therefore, x is equal to 5 into 900 upon 150. 0, 0 cut, 15 ones are, 15 six are. So 5 6 are 30. Now answer. How many bags? 30 bags of rice will weigh 900 kg. So answer is 30 bags. Hope everyone understood this question number 2. Now coming to the question number 3. The cost of 3 kg of sugar is rupees 105, and what will be the cost of 15 kg of sugar? So weight of sugar in kg and cost in rupees. So 3 kg sugar will cost rupees 105. So what will be the cost of 15 kg sugar? What will be the cost? नीचे का कॉलम है तो y. So which type of variation? Weight, कम weight है तो कम price, ज्यादा weight है तो ज्यादा price. So which type of variation? It is a case of direct variation. Therefore, x by y is equal to k. So write 3 by 105 is equal to 15 by y. So 3 into y is equal to 105 into 15. So y is equal to 105 into 15 upon 3. So 3 ones are, 3 fives are 15. Now 5 fives are 25. 0 is there. So 2. 5 ones are 5. So answer is 525. Now write cost. It is the, what will be the cost? So therefore cost of 15 kg sugar is rupees 525. समझ में आ रहा है ना? इजी है. देखो फर्स्ट वर्कशीट डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन है, सोच के सीधा का सीधा करते जाओ मत, अंडरस्टैंड करो व्हाई इट इज अ डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. नाउ कमिंग टू द फोर्थ सम. A motorboat covers 20 kilometers in 4 hours. What distance will it cover in 7 hours and the speed remaining the same? So there are two quantities. First is the kilometer, means distance covered in kilometers, and time in hours. कम टाइम में कम डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा और ज़्यादा टाइम में ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस. सो कौन सा वेरिएशन? डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. सो यू विल राइट 20 किलोमीटर in 4 hours and in 7 hours time. नीचे है in 7 hours how much distance. so ऊपर का है तो इसके लिए x डालो. फिर लिखो it is a case of direct variation therefore x by y is equal to k. Now 20 by 4 is equal to x by 7. 20 into 7 is equal to 4 into x. So x is equal to 20 into 7 upon 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 7 5s are 35. So you got x is equal to 35. Write the answer. The distance it will cover in 7 hours. So motorboat covers a distance of 35 kilometers in 7 hours. Is it clear? Hope everyone is understanding the sums. That was question number 4. Okay. Now coming to the question number 5. A motorbike travels 210 kilometers in a 30 liters of petrol, and how far would it travel in 7 liters of petrol? So the kilometer means it is a distance. A motorbike travels 210 kilometers on 30 liters of petrol. So first column, the distance traveled in kilometer. Second is quantity of petrol in liters. So 210 kilometers in 30 liters. How far would it travel? Means how much distance on 7 liters of petrol. ज़्यादा पेट्रोल ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस, कम पेट्रोल कम डिस्टेंस. सो कौन सा वाला? It is a case of direct variation. And now the formula is, therefore x by y is equal to k. So 210 upon 30 is equal to x by 7. 210 into 7 is equal to 30 into x. Yes or no? So x is equal to 210 into 7 upon 30. 3 0 0 cut. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 27. 7 7s are 49. Now will you write the answer? How far would it travel? The motorbike travels a distance of 49 kilometers in 7 liters of petrol. So answer is very important. Just don't find the value of x and leave it like that. You'll lose marks. Now coming to the sixth sum. If 12 women can weave 15 meters of cloth in a day, how many meters of cloth can be woven by 20 women in a day? Number of women and the length of cloth. isn't it? Number of women, now the length of cloth in meter. कम लोग कम कपड़ा वीव कर सकते हैं, ज्यादा लोग ज्यादा, तो कौन सा वाला? डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. So 12 women will weave 15 meters of cloth and 20 women will weave how much? So नीचे का है तो what? Again you will write it is a case of direct variation and the formula is x by y is equal to k. Hope you are confident with the sums, isn't it? The formula and all, you are perfect now. So it is 12 by 15 is equal to 20 by y. That means 12 into y is equal to 15 into 20. So y is equal to 15 into 20 upon 12. So 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So answer is 5 5s are 25. So you got y is equal to 25. So the answer, what is it? It is the length of the cloth. So 20 women can weave 25 meters of cloth. Is it okay? So we have completed 6 sums of a worksheet 1. All are of a direct variation. Hope you are confident with this topic. Okay? Bye. Thank you.